Hello, how you doing? It's another lovely Tuesday. Great week. Thank you so much for tuning. I'm so excited to be with you. Thank you so much. In case you're watching the live, you can drop a comment. Because you're watching the replay, you can drop a comment. I'm Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I'm so excited to be with you today to share some vibe. And the title of my topic for today is Building Your Business Strategically Online, Part 2. Building your business strategically online, part 2. Coach Melissa, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to see you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Building your business strategically online. It's no news. You see people everywhere who are successful building online. It's no news. The proof is around you. You don't need the approval of anyone else. Move forward no matter what others say to you. My community provides a lot of support as it relates to this, and we can offer you advice based on your personal situation. I will tell you how to receive more information about it after the end of this live. Thank you so much. This is about the mindset. Master the unknown. Master the unknown. Master the unknown. It's all about the mindset. Master the unknown. Learn how to overcome adversity and not be a winner. Learn to overcome peer pressure. Those three things will come up, but now you can be prepared. The next thing is practical blueprint. Practical blueprint. Practical blueprint. You need an implementation blueprint. You need an implementation blueprint, something you can reference along the way. And there are primarily two ways that you can build your network marketing business online. First, there is the active social media recruiting, which you can actually implement right away. With social media recruiting, you honestly don't have to learn much about everything, truth be told. You don't need to learn much about everything. You honestly don't have to learn much about everything. All you need is a personal account on Facebook. All you need is a personal account on Facebook. No website required. And stuff, process may be provided by your upline or somebody in your company on how to present your opportunity and convert prospects into either buyers or new reps. Coach Sheila, thank you so much for tuning. Or new reps. That is it. That's all that you need. You only need to know where to take them and how to process them. You can start implementing social media recruiting strategy today to build your network marketing business. In fact, this strategy is basically equitable to what you would do offline, except you are transposing the process online. Yes, it's practically the same, except you are transposing the process offline. The challenge with social media is you are always busy. The challenge with social media is, Leslie, let's come in for Thank you. The challenge with social media is you are always busy. You are always posting. You are always engaging. You are always interacting with people. It produces results quickly, but it's time intensive. Truth be told, it is time intensive. Because you must engage. Most of the time, people will move beyond simple social media recruiting stuff because they want to create more leverage in their business and to free up more of their time. And that's what we have been teaching here at my community. Speaking of which, if you are ready to move forward now with building your business using attraction marketing, I would like to invite you to sign up for the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp, where you will gain the knowledge to create an automated selling and prospecting system to attract highly interested prospects to your product or opportunity online. The next level of social media is passive social media recruiting. The next level is passive social media recruiting, which is about posting valuable content or information. The passive social media recruiting is about posting valuable content or information that inspires people to reach out to you and ask you what you are doing. In fact, a lot of our members are generating thousands of prospects reaching out to them, asking, what are you doing? I want to learn more. Because I prefer to start the conversation with somebody when they are reaching out to me. They are not coming to, they are coming to you instead of the other way around. Now you are not pitching them. Then you are able to create leverage and scale up. All these things you normally would do with social media, you are now able to scale and accelerate your results. For this, you are going to need a Facebook business page. You are going to need a Facebook business page, aka farm page, aka farm page, and a training and lead generation system like what we provide in my community. The idea is for people to reach out to you by going to your website and submitting their information, which can happen 24/7. That is the idea. The idea is for people to reach out to you in exchange of value that you are sharing. And this can happen 24/7 while you are sleeping or at the beach. They will do this in exchange for valuable content or information you've promised to give them. They are then automatically sent all the information. After that, they are sent all the information automatically that they need to get familiar with your business, and we provide all the tools to allow you to do this in no time. By the time you get on the phone, they are 90% sold. You only answer a few questions and they are ready to get started. It's all about automation. That's what a funnel does, automation. This is how you can passively have prospects come into your business every single day. In my business, I have numerous prospects reaching out to me, requesting information daily. There's no way I could personally talk to every single one of them. So I have to create funnels or processes to be able to present offers to people en masse on autopilot. This allows you to take people that are brand new and fresh and walk them through a presentation in an automated way. That's essentially what I'm talking about with passive recruiting strategies, which also referred to as attraction marketing. Now for the final piece, which is mentorship. We all know the importance of mentorship. It will be very difficult for you to do everything I just described without some personal one-on-one help. Truth be told, it's going to be frustrating without a mentor. Mentor guides us to clarity. A mentor leads us through the transition process so we don't get frustrated or bored. Think about it. When you started in network marketing offline, somebody showed you the next step to take. The same is true with building your business online. You need someone to show you a step-by-step blueprint. You need someone to guide you through a step-by-step blueprint. Thus, when you become a customer or client for my offer, you will receive free one-on-one coaching to ensure you get started right. That is it. I know it's overwhelming when you are brand new. I understand because I've been there. I know it's overwhelming when you're brand new. So we take away the worry by having a mentor walk you through everything step by step, so you don't waste time and the mentor will tell you if you are doing things correctly or not. Yes. This immediately feedback means you will never feel insecure about not being sure what to do next, because a mentor is there to guide you, or not sure if what you did is correct. I know how powerful this is from personal experiences. When I first got started, I spent a lot of money trying to build my business without mentorship. It was pretty costly, to say the least. However, once I got the mentorship, and then it put me on the fast track to achieving results in some few years. I became successful in my home business, and I believe you can do it. You have to make the commitment and start with the first step. So if you're ready to take that first step, but unsure of just how to begin your business online, then I highly recommend you learn more by signing up for the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. So if you would like to learn more about working effectively, thinking critically, and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp and discover how to build your business using the attraction marketing. You can click on the link below or click on the learn more on my fan page. You opt in your name and email to get it. We learn all about the specific tools and techniques I use to connect with prospects online, so you never have to act desperate, chase down, or strong arm prospect or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. This method allows you to build your business automatically, where prospects reach out to you instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy, obnoxious, or overly aggressive to build a successful network marketing business. So if you are ready to get started, click below to get access to the 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. If you made up your mind to get the attraction marketing formula now, 1 hour immediately after you opted in, you can get it for $27. That if you made up your mind to get it right now, 1 hour, if you exceed 1 hour after you opted in, you get it for $47. But in duration of that 1 hour, you can get it for $27. Thank you so much for tuning. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in.